You are welcome to Skillage Enhance YouTube channel, where you can get educational videos. This video is a brief history of the horsepower in physics. Sit back as you enjoy. The history of horsepower in physics. Introduction. Horsepower is a widely recognized unit of measurement, often associated with engines and machinery. However, its origins and evolution have a deep connection with the advancement of physics and mechanical engineering. This documentary explores the history of horsepower, tracing its roots from the Industrial Revolution to its modern applications. Origins of horsepower. The concept of horsepower was introduced by James Watt, a Scottish inventor and mechanical engineer, in the late 18th century. Watt sought to compare the power output of steam engines to that of horses, which were the primary source of mechanical work at the time. By establishing a standard measurement, Watt aimed to demonstrate the efficiency of his steam engines, facilitating their adoption across industries. Watt conducted experiments and observed that a horse could turn a mill wheel with a force of 180 pounds over a distance of 144 feet per minute. Based on these observations, Watt defined 1 horsepower as 550 foot-pounds per second, or approximately 746 watts. Horsepower in the Industrial Revolution. During the Industrial Revolution, the adoption of steam engines and mechanized equipment transformed industries such as mining, textiles, and transportation. The ability to quantify engine performance in terms of horsepower allowed manufacturers and engineers to compare machines and drive technological advancements. The use of horsepower extended beyond steam engines, becoming a standard measurement for internal combustion engines, electric motors, and turbines. This consistency enabled industries to scale their operations and optimize productivity. Horsepower in modern physics and engineering. Today, horsepower is used to rate engines in automobiles, aircraft, and ships. Although the International System of Units, SI, primarily uses watts and kilowatts, horsepower remains a familiar term, particularly in consumer markets. In modern physics, horsepower serves as a bridge between historical and contemporary measures of power. It provides context for energy consumption and efficiency, reflecting the enduring legacy of James Watt's contributions to science and engineering. Conclusion. The history of horsepower exemplifies the intersection of physics, engineering, and industry. From James Watt's initial definition to its widespread adoption, horsepower has played a critical role in shaping technological progress. As we continue to innovate and develop new technologies, the concept of horsepower remains a testament to the ingenuity of early scientific pioneers. Thank you for watching.